Are you wondering if the Citichi Mac Mini M4 Hub is worth your time? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its release, specs, features, and everything else you need to know. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or someone looking to boost your tech setup, this review is for you. We'll cover all the key features, compare it to products like the MacBook Air, and help you decide who will benefit most from this device. Let's dive in and see what makes this hub stand out. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot. First, let's explore what the Citichi Mac Mini M4 Hub offers. This hub is designed to elevate your Mac Mini experience. It works seamlessly with your Mac Mini, a feature every Apple user will appreciate. With the latest M4 chip at its heart, it promises faster speeds and better performance than previous models. So whether you're into video editing, graphic design, or any task that demands serious processing power, this hub has you covered. One of the standout features is the impressive range of ports. The hub includes 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4, ensuring rapid data transfer and the ability to connect high-performance accessories like external storage drives. Additionally, it offers USB-A ports for older devices, an HDMI port for external monitors, and even an Ethernet port for a stable wired connection. All of this is housed in a compact, sleek design. Its premium aluminum finish not only gives it that signature Apple look but also means it won't clutter your desk. Sturdy yet lightweight, it's built to last and easy to move if needed. Another great advantage is its support for 4K displays. If you have a high-definition monitor, you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals, whether you're working on projects or watching content. Now let's talk about the M4 chip. If you've experienced Apple's M-series processors, you know the kind of power they deliver. The M4 chip is a serious upgrade, offering more speed, better efficiency, and smoother performance for even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're switching between apps, rendering videos, or editing photos, the M4 chip handles everything without slowing down. The difference is especially noticeable if you're coming from an older Intel-powered Mac. The hub's versatility is another major plus. Its well-thought-out ports provide maximum connectivity no matter what accessories you need, whether it's an external hard drive, keyboard, or monitor. The Citichi Mac Mini M4 Hub makes it easy, without the hassle of juggling multiple adapters. The Thunderbolt 4 ports allow for quick file transfers, a great benefit for creative professionals working with large media files. In everyday use, the hub proved highly reliable. Connecting an external drive and a monitor was seamless, with no lag or connectivity issues. For video and photo editors, the 4K output ensures crisp, clear visuals, and the hub can even handle multiple displays. Of course, no product is without its pros and cons. On the plus side, the build quality is top-notch. You can tell it's a premium product as soon as you hold it. It's sturdy, looks great with any Apple setup, and feels solid. Its performance is another highlight. The combination of the M4 chip and diverse ports creates a fast, efficient workflow, perfect for multitasking. The versatility from Thunderbolt 4 and 4K support to Ethernet connectivity means it can handle everything from casual use to intensive tasks like video editing or graphic design. Plus, its compact design helps keep your workspace organized without sacrificing performance. On the downside, the price is on the higher end compared to other hubs on the market. If you're only looking for basic port expansion, there are more affordable alternatives available. Also, while the port selection is robust, it might not be sufficient for those who need a multitude of USB-A ports or specialized slots like SD card readers. So how does this compare to other products? Options like the Anker Power Expand Elite or AI USB-C hub are solid choices as well. However, the Citichi Mac Mini M4 Hub really stands out with its premium design and Apple-specific features. It's built with quality materials and optimized ports that work flawlessly with your Mac Mini or MacBook. If you value design and performance, this hub is worth the extra investment. But if budget is a major concern, you might consider other options that offer similar functionality for less. Let's continue exploring how the Citichi Mac Mini M4 Hub can transform your workflow. One of the first things I noticed during extended testing was how effortlessly it handled multiple high-demand tasks at once. Imagine connecting your Mac Mini to a 4000 display while transferring large files from an external SSD, all at the same time. The Thunderbolt 4 ports make this possible by providing rapid data transfer speeds that keep your work flowing without interruption. In real-world scenarios, the hub truly shines. I set up a workstation with dual monitors, a high-speed external drive, and several USB peripherals. Even with all these devices running simultaneously, there was no lag or unexpected This level of reliability is a game changer for creative professionals who often work with large media files. Another aspect worth highlighting is the hub's design and how it complements a modern workspace. The compact form factor means it doesn't crowd your desk, and its premium aluminum finish mirrors the aesthetics of your Mac Mini perfectly. It's not just about looking good, its design also ensures durability. So you know you're investing in a product that will withstand the rigors of daily use. If you're someone who relies on a wired internet connection for stability, the dedicated Ethernet port is a welcome feature. It's this thoughtful combination of connectivity options that makes the hub a standout option for a variety of users. Now let's delve deeper into performance. The powerful M4 chip integrated within the hub ensures that even the most processor-intensive tasks are handled with ease. For example, when rendering a 4000 video or working on a complex graphic design project, the hub maintained a consistent level of performance. There was never any hint of bottlenecking, even when switching rapidly between applications. This is especially important for professionals who can't afford delays in their creative process. Of course, the premium build and advanced features do come at a higher price point. If you're a casual user who only needs a few extra ports for occasional use, there might be more budget-friendly options available. Additionally, while the hub covers most connectivity needs, those requiring a large number of USB-A ports or specialized slots like multiple SD card readers might find its offerings a bit limited. However, for those deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem and who demand high performance and reliability, these are minor concerns compared to the overall benefits. Another great feature to note is the hub's support for a multi-display setup. In today's work environment, many of us need more than one screen to stay productive. Whether you're editing documents, monitoring social media feeds, or juggling several applications at once, being able to seamlessly add another 4000 display is a huge plus. It means you can expand your digital workspace without compromising on clarity or speed. During prolonged sessions, I never experienced any drop in performance. This kind of stability is crucial, especially when you're in the middle of a deadline or an important project. It reassures you that the hub isn't just a flashy accessory, it's a dependable tool that enhances your overall computing experience. In conclusion, the Satechi Mac Mini M4 Hub is more than just a port expander. It's a powerful, well-designed tool that complements your Mac setup. Its combination of high-speed Thunderbolt 4 ports, 4K display support, and sturdy yet stylish build make it a worthwhile consideration for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. While it may be on the higher end price-wise, the benefits it brings, especially to professionals who need consistent, reliable performance, can make it a very smart investment. Thanks for sticking with me through this extended review. If you found this discussion helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about future tech reviews. Your support not only helps me create more content, but also allows us to build a community where we can all share insights and tips on getting the most out of our technology. Stay productive, keep innovating, and see you soon in the next video.